We'll guide you through how to download and install the Amazon Shopping app. You can follow this whether you use an iPhone or an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having the Amazon Shopping app on your phone is really convenient because you can then easily go and access the app and Amazon, and you can go and start ordering things. Whether you decide you suddenly need something for your kitchen, or maybe you want to go and do some birthday present shopping. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. So to go and get started on your device, we need to go and open up your device's store. On an iPhone, that is the App Store. On an Android, that's going to be the Google Play Store. So you can always go and swipe down on an Android to go and find it, but it should be on the home page, and open it up. You can go and press search at the bottom, press search again, and we can then go and type in Amazon, and we can go and search for it. And as you can see, Amazon Shopping is here. Now on an Android, it will go and say install. On an iPhone, it will usually say get. I've got the cloud icon as I've downloaded before. Go and wait for it to go and download. It shouldn't take long. You can open it there. Otherwise, you can go and find it on your phone's app page. Then you can tap on it and we can go and start shopping. That's it. You can sign in and we can go and start shopping. Leave a like if you found this useful.